म्हापसाच्या अल्तिनो वाठारात मारहाण करपाची एक धक्कादायक घडणूक उजवाडाक आयल्या। 48 वर्सां पिरायेच्या एका दादल्यान दाखल केल्ले कागाळी प्रमाण बांदकाम सुवाते लागसार एका बिल्डरान ताचेर हल्लो केलो। आपल्याक वाचोवपाक आयिल्ल्या 67 वर्सां पिरायेच्या शेजाऱ्याचेरूय हल्लो केलो। दोगांय जखमी जाल्ल्यान ह्या प्रकरणात म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनात कागाळ दाखल केल्या।
Around 6:40, we were standing outside the St. Mary's Primary School, looking towards construction site which has come up there. And we were looking at it, and I was there actually. I was looking at it, and I was getting out from there. And as I was getting out, this Mario Beraldo Fernandez, who is the builder of the construction site, comes, starts abusing me, starts assaulting me. And I was just defending myself. I was getting away. Then he tripped, and as I was going out, he comes running and he bites me on my side here. He has caused an injury. And then Mr. Rafael Lobo, who is a neighbor there, heard the scuffle. He came to rescue me. You can tell them also what happened.
When I saw that he was not to be seen, I came closer to see where was Mr. Ricardo stuck. And then I saw that the builder was assaulting him at that time. He bit him very badly, for which Mr. Ricardo has been taken to the district hospital for medical examination. And they've given him some urgent treatment. So this was when I came close by to see what happened, he came and assaulted me, and he gave me 2 slaps on my wrist.
He assaulted him.
And at that stage, he came to help me at that stage.
Then we somehow managed to get away. I called the police. As I was calling the police, he ran into his car and he went away. Then the police came, and then we came to the police station.
What was the exact reason behind this fight?
See, there is a lot of people looking at it and seeing what is going on in this building, because there's a lot of illegalities in this building. They're causing a lot of disturbance to us in the neighborhood, a lot of inconvenience. They are trespassing through St. Mary's School property. So we were just looking at the building, and this guy, somehow I think his people told him that we were there. I was there. Then Rafael, who is the neighbor, he came to save me, but then he started getting assaulted.